Hello there, 7th graders. Hi, it's me, Mr. Stark. Today we're going to be doing a lab called jumping paper. To do this lab, you basically need a strip of paper that's about an inch wide, okay? And you'll need a plate with some water on it, and or a pie tin full of water, something like that that'll hold water a little bit. So, first instruction is you're gonna, if you go to Google Classroom, you will be able to so first instruction is to get that piece of paper. Then if you go to Google Classroom for Tuesday, you'll see that there is a lab paper with instructions for jumping paper. So you take that 1-inch piece of paper and you fold it like an accordion. Kind of fold it back and forth, back and forth. Okay? And then, so now you'll have that, it'll be this kind of little bouncy thing like this. So now we're going to take this, I've got a plate right here, and it's got water on it. And now I'm going to take this piece of paper with it's folded like an accordion, and I'm going to get it wet. I'm going to get the tip of it wet. So now I've got water on the paper, and I've got water on the plate. And you can see that now that the paper has started to, it curled up a little bit, and now it's starting to uncurl a little bit because it got wet. Okay. But anyways, you have water molecules on the plate and you have water molecules on the paper. And your objective then is to bring your paper as close to the surface of the water as you can without allowing it to touch. And you can see here now that my paper is starting to dance and wiggle and jiggle. And that is not my shaky hand. I am holding my hand. Okay, it was actually better if I did it like this. Bringing it closer, closer, and it starts to bounce up and down. And at some point, you get it close enough that you just can't keep it out of there. The paper jumps at the water. It jumps into the water. It wiggles and jiggles, and it's trying, and all of a sudden, boom, it jumps into the water. So we just did procedures 1, 2, and 3. Cut the strip of paper, fold it in an accordion shape, and then lower the fold to the water to get it wet. Lift the accordion out of the water and then lower it to the surface again, but don't put it in the water. As you get closer and closer, you notice the paper will eventually jump into the pie tin. So then there's a couple of questions here. How does the paper, or how close does the paper need to jump toward the water in the pie tin? And 2, does it work if you use something else other than water, such as milk, rubbing alcohol, corn syrup, or vinegar? Give it a try at home. Have fun. Submit those answers to the Google Classroom by Wednesday.